And as always, don't forget, this is an adult doll collector's channel. So if you are younger than 18, you need your parents' permission to watch my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to _T's_Dollroom, and today we're going to do a little crafting project in the doll room. So last year I got this idea to make some modular patio furniture for my dolls to use in some of my outdoor scenes. So this is a work in progress, and this is going to be part one of my little patio project. So I'm going to show you some of the materials that I gathered. Some of this stuff I've had since last year, but I'll tell you what it is and where I got it from. So first of all, I bought these little crates. You know, the Dollar Tree now has these little crafting corners, so I bought these for $1 a piece. And these are going to serve as the base units for my patio furniture. I bought these kitchen towels. I love the print. Nice and summery, tropical looking, so I thought I'd use those in case I needed to make some pillows and different things like that. And we have a variety of placemats that I'm going to use for my dioramas. Now, a lot of times I'll use these as flooring for my dollhouse. So I like this blue and aqua print, mint green, navy in it. I thought it looked kind of like something you would see around a pool or a courtyard, excuse me. And then these textured mats, they're more of like a gray pewter look here. So I bought these because these are great materials to use for like a textured rattan or wicker type texture if you want to add some of that to your doll furniture. And then of course, you know, the Crafter's Corner at Dollar Tree has felt, little rolls of felt for $1 that you can use as padding for your seat cushions. But these particular ones, I have some foam cord here. I bought these placemats at Walmart. They're the same thing as the Dollar Tree, but they're rectangular, and I like the deeper brown, black looking color, kind of bronze looking, so that's the color I wanted, and that's what I used to make the example right here. And then we have a like a linen type aqua textured placemat that I found at Walmart last year. So that's what I'm using to upholster my seat cushions here, because I like all these little colors just go together. So I wanted it to look cohesive. And of course I have my glue gun and a utility knife to cut the foam core. So we're gonna get this started, and I'll show you how I will cover the rest of these cushions. I will do the bases individually, but I'm just going to make one long cushion to fit these two because it's going to be set up in an L shape. So this will be the corner cushion here, and it'll go like this, and it'll be just a little seating corner here, and this will eventually go into my courtyard / pool scene for my dolls. Okay, let me get this set up and I'll be right back with you. So the first thing I'm going to do is wrap these crates right here with strips of these placemats that I've already pre-cut and everything. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to get that on there. is wrapped here. All of them wrapped. And now all we need to do is make the cushion. So that wasn't too hard. So what I did was I just measured out a strip of this fabric right here to go around, and I cut off the excess. And then I may, just depending, I kept seeing a little bit of the blonde colored untreated wood right here around the edge when I put the cushion on. So what I decided to do is I used a brown marker and just went in and colored the edges of it so that it's not that noticeable. You can't see the little blonde wood, you know, beyond the placemat that I wrapped around the crate. So that's what I did there. If I get too much unsatisfied with it, then I may just take some of this excess right here and just cover over the tops of them too. But for right now, I'm okay with it. So let's go ahead and upholster this piece of foam core, which I just wanted one long cushion to go over this piece. I did not want to make separate cushions for all three of them because I knew that's how I was going to use this piece. So I cut the foam core a little smaller because this one, of course, in trial and error, I made it exactly, and it came out a little bit bigger than what I had anticipated. So this one I cut it smaller to allow for the batting and for the fabric, the bulk of it, and hopefully it'll probably come out more exact than this one did. So what I use for padding for the seat, I use 3 layers of felt to go on top. So that's what we're using for the batting for this project here. So I start by putting down some hot glue, and be careful when you're using the hot glue because it delivers a delicious burn. This one to the top of it, and we'll wrap it around the edges. Next thing I'll do is buy a bigger glue gun because for the little amount of crafting that I actually do, I don't need one of those big giant things. So I may graduate to a medium-sized one that can hold the bigger sticks in here. And I'm just gluing the layers of the felt together just to keep them from moving around too much. I'm sure that you don't have to do it. That's the way I'm going to do it. Yes, I am concentrating, trying not to get burned, so give me the ad lib here. Trying to pay attention. Not talking and chewing gum at the same time. my cushion for the next two pieces. And this is how I envision them to be set up. This way. Here we go. So this is my little take on my modular patio set. I wanted something that was going to be a little bit more sturdier than cardboard boxes or foam core boxes, so that's why I chose to use the Dollar Tree crates for this. So that's what I use for that. Let me turn this around. Let me see how it looks to me. I think it looks pretty good for somebody that doesn't craft. I'm happy with it. Like I say, when I look at it like this, I can see the unfinished wood on top. So what I think I'm gonna do is cut a piece and just lay it over there, and maybe that I won't have to use the marker to cover the edges of it. So I think I'll do that. Now there's a little gap showing here, so I'm just going to take my little marker, brown marker, and just fill this in right here. Cover that little gap so it's not so noticeable. And one more to go. now we have our seating bases. We have our seating bases here. And it's just a quick little craft. As I've told you guys before in my earlier videos, I am not this expert crafter, so, but for my needs and what I wanted it for, I think it is perfect. And the fact that I made it out of the little wooden crates from the Dollar Tree, or you can get them in Michael's or Hobby Lobby as well. And these placemats, these like woven rattan placemats you can get from Dollar Tree and Walmart. And it satisfies my needs for my dolls, for their patio lounging furniture. You know, I may have a little fire pit sitting there one day, or a table with cocktails and outdoor seating. So that'll be in the next video. I'm gonna start working on my backdrop for this patio. This is a new lady that I just recently received, one of the BMR 59 dolls. So let's just see. I think it works perfectly for her. It's a good height. It's cute. I can probably get maybe 4 more dolls sitting on this little sectional with her. So I'm kind of pleased with myself. I love the color choices. That's what I envisioned my patio set would look like. And hopefully it'll all come together. I'm gonna work on the backdrop for this set next, for my little courtyard next to the pool set. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for returning to Ms. T's Doll Room. I consider us family. So family, stay tuned. If you like the video, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed yet, please ring the bell and subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And if you have any questions or comments, then by all means, please leave me a question or a comment. And if there's anything I can share with you or give you information on, I'm always happy to do that. And I'll see you in the next video. You guys take care. Bye.